Hi guys, it's Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to compare quantities and numerals from left to right. So, looking at this, we're going to be comparing these two numbers, 2 tens, 9 ones, 3 tens, 4 ones. And we know whenever we're comparing from left to right. So looking at this, it says 2 tens, 9 ones. Okay, so I know that I'm going to draw my picture. So I'm going to draw those 2 tens, 1, 2, to my 2 tens, and then 9 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, I'm going to count this to figure out what number is 2 tens, 9 ones. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. Right, because we know that 2 tens, for 29, the tens show right here 2. And then this is our 1, so 9 ones. So, yep. So now let's do 3 tens, 4 ones. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's count it to figure out what our number is. What 3 tens, 4 ones is. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And we know that 34 has 4 ones and 3 tens. So, yep. So now we have to look at this and figure out, is 29 or 2 tens, 9 ones less than, greater than, or equal to 3 tens, 4 ones, or 34? So the first thing that we can do is that we can label it. We can label each number with either an L for less or G for greater. So looking at this, which number is the least? Which number is smaller? We know that 29 is smaller because it only has 2 tens, whenever 34 has 3 tens. So I'm going to label this 29 with an L. Then 34 or 3 tens, 4 ones we know is greater because we know that it has 3 tens and not 2. So we know it has one more 10. So now, let's look at this. We know that whenever we're saying our comparison sentence or statement, we know that we have to find the phrase that will make it true. And we can't change the numbers around because this is how we drew our picture. We cannot change it because this is how they want the numbers to be. So it's 29 or 2 tens, 9 ones. Less than, greater than, or equal to 3 tens, 4 ones. Well, we know that 29 is less than because we just put an L right there for less than. And since that one is first, since 29 is first, we say is less than. We know that 29 is less than 34. Now, if 29 and 34 would have switched positions and 34 would have been first, we know that 34 would have been greater than 29. But we can't change its order because that's how it gave it to us. So we know that 29 is less than 34. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.